Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, because I'm the flower that blooms at night. And today I'm continuing on my Halloween series, as well as my Barbie transformations, by serving you a full-on Barbie cheerleader. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other looks you want to see from me, and don't forget to subscribe to our bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should still hopefully be 31 transformations this month. I know I've fallen behind. I've just been super sick and like super stressed out and just everything's been overwhelming, but hopefully I can still get 31 transformations up for you this month. So without further ado, let's get into this one. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and thanks for watching. So I'm going to be starting this transformation off with my base and brows already done, and then to start off the eyes, I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to start by highlighting my brow bone with the matte white eyeshadow in the palette, just to give me a nicer outline and kind of more of a shape for the eyeshadow look I'm going to be going for. From here, I took the nice like bubblegum soft pink in the palette, and started just by buffing it through the crease of my eye, keeping it nice and like elongated and cat eye sharp on the outer V of my eye. I took this colour from the inner corner all the way into the outer like V area and just buffed and blended it up towards my brow bone region. From here, I took the shade Cherry Wet, which is actually a matte red, but when used in like a smaller amount and buffed in with pinks, it just added a nice little bit of depth to the eye look. For that pretty shimmer on my eyelid, I went in with this absolutely stunning pink shimmer in the Jawbreaker palette and literally just patted that all over my mobile eyelid. It does have quite a lot of fallout, so I would recommend doing your eyes first if you're working with this like more glittery shade, but I'm really happy with like how this look came together, and it's super vibrant and super bright. I did deepen the outer V of my eye a little bit more with a purple shimmer, but I do cover it with winged eyeliner, so you can't really tell. I then went in and highlighted the central portion of the lid as well as the inner corner with that super pretty peach shimmer in the palette, and then I went in with the shade Fuck to blend out the upper crease area and just to add a little bit more like peachy vibes to the like upper crease area. I then threw on some winged liner off camera and added some white grease paint into my waterline just to keep my eyes very bright, very like anime, very doll-like and open. And then I smoked Cherry Wet first initially along my lower lash line, and then I smoked it out with that bubblegum pink shade and topped it with a little bit of that glittery kind of colour. But I felt like the look was lacking a little bit of like something different and something a little bit more out there. So I went back in with Cherry Wet afterwards and just kind of elongated the lower lash line area kind of out into more of a straight line, and then I filled that like in between gap in with that same white grease paint just to add something a little bit different than other like eye looks I've done, and I was super happy with like how this look turned out overall. From here, I bronzed and contoured up my skin using the Makeup Revolution Highlight and Contour Kit, and then for blush I literally just applied so much blush to my cheeks, like the entire side of my face was pink, but I really like this as like a makeup technique. I know it's not the most like wearable or like natural fishy woman, but I love this kind of like super flush blush look into the eyeshadow. I highlighted my skin using the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I went in with the shade Starburst for something a little bit different, and then I topped my cheeks with some holographic like stars from Give Face Cosmetics, which I think looked so stunning, and just added like a little bit of an extra flourish and a little bit of like difference compared to some of the other Barbie looks I've done this week. For lips, I went in with a neon lip liner from LA Girl. I filled it in with Ice Cream Boulevard from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and then I topped it with one of his glitter lipsticks called Beauty Pageant, and then I also applied some clear gloss on top since I wanted some extra juicy ass lips today. And then that is the finished Barbie cheerleader transformation. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.